What's up, Flomies? My name's Breann, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Around the World Cartwheel, which you just saw, but I'm going to show you again. It looks just like that. So 2 prerequisites you're going to want to have for this trick are obviously a cartwheel. Hit me up in the DMs if you need some help on that one. 2 other prerequisites you're going to want to have are your backwards figure 8s as well as your forward figure 8s, so that way you can do that around the world. Let's go ahead and break that trick down. So you're going to take your Flowstar into your dominant hand with your dominant leg out, and then what motions you're going to be doing, you're going to flick the Flowstar out into a forward vertical 8. And then once you bring your hand down is when you'll switch the Flowstar around, and it'll kind of naturally go like that with the momentum. And then you'll go up into and around the world after you complete your cartwheel. So we'll go here, scoop down, and come back up. Let me show you that again. You'll take the Flowstar, dominant hand, dominant leg out, and you'll swing, scoop it around. And once you come up from your cartwheel, you'll be in a backwards figure 8. When you start it, you'll go into a forwards figure 8. From that backward, it'll go right into that around the world. Just like that. And that is the Around the World Cartwheel trick. I hope you loved it. I cannot wait to see y'all trying it out. And if you love this video, make sure to give us a like, comment, and of course, subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.